Okay, students, good morning to all. Today we discuss quadratic equation and expressions. Students, this is very important topic. IP weightage 4 marks, mains 1 problem, MSET 1 or 2 problems, students. Before going to quadratic equations, first what is complex number? Students, in number system, natural numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. and whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, integers 0 plus or minus 1, next real numbers minus infinity to plus infinity. Friends, first I'm taking an equation x plus 1 is equal to 1. Students, x is equal to 0. Students, first natural numbers x plus 1 is equal to 1, x is equal to 0. 0 is not a natural number. 0 is not a natural number. So natural number extend to whole numbers. Students, 0 is not a natural number. So natural numbers extend to whole numbers. Next, students, x plus 2 is equal to 1. Students, x is equal to 1 minus 2, minus 1. Students, minus 1 is not a whole number. So whole numbers extend to integers. Whole numbers extend to integers. Next, students, x into 2 is equal 1. X is equal 1 by 2. Students, 1 by 2 is not an integer. So integer extend to rational numbers. Students, x into 2 is equal 1. X is equal 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is not a integer. So integers extend to rational number. Next, students, x square is equal to 2. Students, x is equal to root 2. Students, root 2 is a irrational number. So rational number extend to irrational number. Rational number extend to irrational number. Set of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Set of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Friends, next, x square plus 1 is equal to 0. X square is equal to minus 1. X is equal to root of minus 1. Friends, x square plus 1 is equal to 0 has no real solution. X square plus 1 is equal to 0 has no real solution. So Euler mathematician introduce square root of any number is equal to I. So square root of minus 1 is equal to I. Squaring on both sides, minus 1 is equal to I square. So I square is equal to minus 1, where I is iota or imaginary number. Students, where I is iota or imaginary number. Students, real numbers, next natural numbers, whole numbers, integers are subset of complex numbers. Subset of complex numbers. Subset of complex numbers. Students, real numbers, whole numbers, integers, natural numbers, whole are subset of complex number. Subset of complex numbers. Friends, complex number of the form I square is equal, students, I square is equal to minus 1. Complex number of the form. Complex numbers are denoted by Z, Z1, Z2, Z3, etc. Zn. Students, complex numbers are denoted by Z, Z1, Z2, Z3, etc. Zn. Set of complex numbers is denoted by C. So complex number of the form Z is equal to A plus IB or X plus IY, where A comma B are real numbers. A comma B are real numbers, where A comma B are real numbers. This is a complex number, students. So complex number denoted by Z, Z1, Z2, Z3, etc. So complex number of the form A plus IB, where I is imaginary number or iota, where A comma B are real numbers. Okay, students. Next, quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Friends, A comma B comma C are real or complex numbers. A comma B comma C are real or complex numbers. Real or complex numbers. Then AX and a not is equal and a not is equal 0, students, then ax square plus bx plus is called quadratic expression. Ax square plus bx plus is equal 0 is called quadratic equation. A, B, C are real or complex numbers and a not is equal 0, then ax square plus bx plus is equal to ax square plus bx plus is called quadratic expression. Ax square plus bx plus is equal to 0 is called quadratic equation. Students, this is second degree equation. So quadratic second degree equation has two roots. Third degree equation has three roots. Fourth degree equation has four roots. So this is quadratic equation. It has two roots. It has two roots, students. Next, roots of a polynomial. Roots of a polynomial, students. Roots of a polynomial. Students, suppose example, I am taking the equation x square minus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Solving this equation, x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0. Taking x common, x minus 2 minus 1 common, x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 or x is equal to 1. Students, 1, 2 are the solutions or roots or zeros of a polynomial. Roots are zeros of a polynomial. Students, in 10th class word zeros of a polynomial. So zeros of a polynomial or roots of a polynomial. Students, here 1, 2 are the solutions or divisors. Students, solution or divisor means, suppose substitute x is equal to 2 in equation x square minus 3x plus 2, 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. So 4 plus 2, 6 minus 6, 0. Students, 2 is a root. Suppose this is equation x square minus 3. This is the equation f of x. 2 is a root. F of 2 is equal to 0. So this equation denoted by, suppose this equation is f of x. F of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. F of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. F of 2 is equal to 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. Students, 2 is the root. F of 2 is equal to 0. 1 is the root. F of 1 is equal to 0. Alpha is the root. F of alpha is equal to 0. Students, 2 is the root. 2 is the root of x square minus 3x plus 2. 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. So 1 is a root. 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. Students, suppose alpha is the root of, so this is very important, students. 2 is the root. 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2 is equal to 0. 1 is the root. 1 square minus 3 into 1 plus 2 is equal to 0. So alpha is the root of, alpha is the root of, alpha is the root of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, implies a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Suppose this equation denoted by f of x. F of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. F of alpha is equal to 0. So alpha is the root of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Or f of alpha is equal to 0. Students, మీరు నోట్ చేసుకునేటప్పుడు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ చేసుకుని మీకు నెక్స్ట్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఐడెంటిటీ. Quadratic identity. An equation has more than two roots is called quadratic identity. Students, quadratic identity means more than two solutions, students. More than two solutions. But quadratic equation has two roots. More than two solutions means three solutions. So what are the formula of quadratic identity, students? What are the formula of quadratic identity? So quadratic equation has only two roots, but quadratic identity three roots, students. Three roots. How to prove this result, students? Suppose let the three roots alpha, beta, gamma be the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, students. So quadratic identity, students, three roots. So let alpha, beta, gamma be the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, students. Alpha is a root. Alpha is a root. A alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Students, beta is a root. A beta square plus b beta plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Gamma is a root. A gamma square plus b gamma plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. This is equation number 3. So three roots alpha, beta, gamma, students. Alpha is a root, beta is a root, gamma is a root. Students, next 1 minus 2, equation 1 minus equation number 2. Students, a alpha square minus a beta square, a common, a into alpha square minus beta square, b alpha minus b beta, b into alpha minus beta, plus c minus c is equal to 0. Students, a into alpha square minus beta square, alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta, plus b into alpha minus beta is equal to 0. Students, taking alpha minus beta common, here a into alpha plus beta, a alpha plus a beta plus b is equal to 0. So this is not is equal to 0. A alpha plus a beta plus b is equal to 0. This is equation number 4. Equation number 4, students. Students, next 1 minus 2, next students 2 minus 3, students. 2 minus 3 implies 2 minus 3. A beta square minus a gamma square. A into beta square minus gamma square plus b beta minus b gamma. B common, beta minus gamma plus c minus c is equal. Plus c minus c get cancelled. Beta square minus gamma square, beta plus gamma, beta minus gamma plus b into beta minus gamma is equal to 0. I'm taking common beta minus gamma. Friends, a into beta plus gamma, a beta, a gamma plus b is equal to 0. This is not is equal to 0. A beta plus a gamma plus b is equal to, this is equation number 5. Next student, 4 minus 5 implies 4 minus 5, a alpha plus a beta plus b minus a beta minus a gamma minus b is equal to plus b minus b plus a beta minus a beta common, a into alpha minus gamma is equal to 0. This is not is equal to 0. A is equal to 0, students. A is equal to 0. Students, a is equal to 0. A is equal to 0. Students, substitute a is equal to 0 in equation number 5. Students, a is equal to 0 in equation number 5. 0 into beta, 0. 0 into gamma, 0. Plus b is equal to 0. Students, b is 0. Next, student, a0, b0. Substitute a0, b0 in equation number 1. a0, b0. 0, 0. C is equal to 0. C is equal to 0. Students, quadratic identity formula A0, B0, C0. Students, quadratic identity formula A0, B0, C0. Students, first A into alpha minus gamma 0. This is not is equal to 0, A0. Next, substitute A is equal to 0 in equation number 5. 0 into beta 0, 0 into gamma 0, B is equal to 0. Substitute a comma b in equation number 1, a0, b0, c0. So quadratic identity formula A0, B0, C0. What is the value of A, students? Coefficient of x square 0, coefficient of x 0, constant 0, 0. Students, quadratic identity formula coefficient of x square 0, coefficient of x 0, constant is equal to 0. Students, screenshot చేసుకునేది. ఫ్రెండ్స్ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ చేసుకునేది. If a square minus 1 into x square plus a minus 1 into x plus a square minus 4a plus 3 is equal to 0. Be an identity x, be an identity in x, then find the value of a. Then find the value of a. Students, if a square minus 1 into x square plus a minus 1 into x plus a square minus 4a plus 3, this equation a square minus 4a plus 3 is equal to 0. Students, quadratic identity means coefficient of x square 0. Students, here coefficient of x square, a square minus 1 is equal to 0, a square is equal to 1, a is equal to plus or minus 1. Next, students, coefficient of x 0. What is the coefficient of x? A minus 1, 0. A is equal to 1. Next, constant is equal to 0. What is the constant? A square minus 4a plus 3 is equal to 0. A square minus 4a plus 3 is equal to 0. Students, a square minus 4a plus 3 is equal to a square factors minus 3a minus a plus 3. Take a common, a minus 3, minus 1 common, a minus 3. Students, a minus 3 common, a minus 3 into a minus 1 is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1 or 3. A is equal to 1 or 3. Students, a is equal to 1 or 3. A is equal to 1 or 3, students. A is equal to 1 or 3. What is the common solution, students? Plus or minus 1? 1, 1, 3. So common solution is 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1. Common solution, common value. Common value a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 answer. Students, screenshot చేయండి. Next, students, roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. How many roots, students, here? Quadratic equation has 2 roots. Taking a common, so take this value right hand side, x square plus b by a into x plus c by a is equal to 0. Students, here x square plus, students, x into b by a, students. Now multiplying and dividing by 2. plus c by a is equal 0. Friend, multiplying and dividing by 2. Friends, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, b by 2a whole square. So here no b square term. Friends, here b by 2a whole square, here no b by 2a whole square. So x square plus 2x into b by 2a. Students, plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square plus c by a is equal to 0. Students, నేను a plus b whole square రాయడం కోసం నేను plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square చేస్తున్నాను. 2ab, this is b, plus b square minus b square. A square plus 2ab plus b square is equal a plus b whole square. This is x plus b by 2a whole square. So take these two values on right hand side. Minus b by 2a whole square is equal plus b square. This value is b square by 4a square minus c by a. Minus c by a. Students, screenshot in. Students, x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to right side LCM 4a square, here b square minus 4a. Students, x plus b by 2a whole square, students, x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus, friends, x plus b by 2a whole square equal b square minus 4a by 4a square. X is equal to x plus b by 2 is equal plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by root 4a square is 2a. X plus x is equal to minus b by 2a plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. X is equal, student, here LCM is 2a minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac. Students, roots of ax square plus bx plus is equal to is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So roots of ax square plus bx plus is minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Next screenshot చేయండి. So quadratic equation has two roots. So one root is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is alpha. Another root is beta. Beta is equal minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So quadratic equation has two roots. One root is minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Another root beta is equal minus b minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Students, sum of the roots is equal to a roots alpha beta, sum of the roots is equal to, students, adding this one, final answer is minus b by, students, adding this one we get minus b by a. Sum of the roots is equal formula minus b by a. B is coefficient of x, this is coefficient of x square. Sum of the roots is equal formula minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. Next, product of the roots is equal to alpha into beta. Students, multiply this one and simplify, we get c by a. Sum of the roots is equal to minus b by a. Product of the roots is equal to c by a. Students, what is the difference of the roots, students? Difference of the roots. Sum of the roots, product of the roots, difference of the roots, students. Students, a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab. A plus b whole square minus 4ab is equal to a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square a minus b is equal, students, a minus b is equal root of a plus b whole square minus 4ab. Friends, alpha minus beta is equal formula root of alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. చూడండి మనం ఆల్ఫా స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బీటా స్క్వేర్ ఆల్ఫా క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ బీటా క్యూబ్ ఈ ఏ ఫార్ములాస్ అప్లై చేసేటప్పుడు ఈ టూ కండిషన్స్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. అంటే ఈ టూ కండిషన్ యూజ్ చేసుకుంటే మనకి ఏ ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయి ఆల్ఫా ప్లస్ బీటా ఆల్ఫా బీటా ఏ ఫార్ములాస్ ఉన్నాయో చూసుకొని మనం ఆ ఫార్ములాస్ లోనే కన్వర్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్ఫా మైనస్ బీటా ఇస్ ఈక్వల్ స్టూడెంట్స్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ alpha plus beta minus b by a whole square minus 4 alpha beta c by a minus b by a whole square b square by a square minus 4c by a. So root here LCM is a square b square minus 4ac b square minus 4ac. So that is equal to root b square minus 4ac by mod a. This is difference of the roots, or root delta by mod a, where delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is difference of the roots. Difference of the roots. Mr. Students, what is alpha square plus beta square? What is alpha square plus beta square? A square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab minus 2 alpha beta. Friends, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a whole square minus 2 into alpha beta is equal to c by a. This is b square by a square minus 2c by a. Friends, LCM is a square b square minus 2ac. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to b square minus 2ac by a square. Next, students, alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to formula alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. Students, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a whole cube minus 3 into alpha beta c by a. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. That is equal to minus b by a whole cube minus b cube by a cube minus into minus plus 3bc by a square. So LCM is a cube. So minus b cube plus 3abc. This is alpha cube plus beta cube. So మీరు alpha power 4 beta power 4 calculate చేయండి సేమ్. So it's alpha comma beta be the roots of alpha comma beta with the roots of ax square plus bx plus c. Students, take a common, x square plus b by a into x plus c by a. So that is equal a into x square plus b by a is equal minus of minus b by a into x plus c by a. That is equal a into x square minus b by a is equal alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. Students, that is equal a into, simplify this one, x minus alpha into x minus beta. Students, alpha comma beta roots, ax square plus bx plus b can be written as a into x minus alpha into x minus beta. Students, here x square coefficient a into x minus alpha into x minus beta. Suppose x square coefficient 1, the quadratic equation, students, the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha comma beta is formula x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0. here x square coefficient a into x minus alpha into x minus beta. X square coefficient 1. The quadratic equation whose roots are alpha beta is x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to. Students, suppose 1 comma 2 are the roots, x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 comma 2 comma 3 are the roots, x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 are the roots. Equation is x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. Should multiply this one, x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta is equal to 0. So x square minus x into sum of the roots plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Friends, x alpha comma beta are the roots, x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0, or x square minus x into sum of the roots plus product of the roots is equal to 0. Suppose alpha square beta square are the roots. Equation is x minus alpha square into x minus beta square is equal to 0. Alpha comma beta are the roots. Quadratic equation is x minus alpha into x minus beta is equal to 0. Or x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta is equal to 0. Find the roots of 3x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Find the roots of 3x square plus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. So in 3x square, find the roots, students. 3 5s are 15. 5 minus 3, 2. Question 5 plus 5x minus 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Taking x common, 3x plus 5 minus 1 common, 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. 3x plus 5 common, 3x plus 5 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by 3, x is equal to minus 5 by 3, or x is equal to 1. Or alternative method, so this is ax square plus bx plus c, a value 3, b value 2, c value minus 5. Roots is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Friends, this is quadratic equation x. X is equal. Suppose quadratic equation y. Y is equal. Quadratic equation t. T is equal. Minus b. Minus 2 plus or minus root of b square. 4. Minus 4 b square. B is equal to 2. 2 square. Minus 4a. 3. C value 5. C value minus 5. C value minus 5. Minus 5. By 2a, 2 into 3, minus 2 plus or minus 4, minus into minus plus 4, 3, 12, 60 by 2 into 3. So minus 2 plus or minus root 64, 8 by 2 into 3. Friends, minus 2 plus or minus. Taking 2 common, minus 1 plus or minus 4 by 2 into 3. 2 to get cancelled. First positive minus 1 plus 4 by 3, or minus 1 minus 4 by 3. This is 1, or 5 minus 5 by 3. Students, remaining problems నేను సెండ్ చేస్తాను వాట్సాప్లో, అవి మీరు చేయండి స్టూడెంట్స్. ఈజీ. క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. స్టూడెంట్ ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ ఉంటే నాకు వాట్సాప్ చేయండి. ఆల్రెడీ మీకు యూట్యూబ్లో ఆల్రెడీ నెంబర్ ఉంది. మీ దాని డౌట్స్ ఉంటే వాట్సాప్ చేయొచ్చు స్టూడెంట్స్. ఓకే స్టూడెంట్స్.